According to reports, Chang Bingyu discussed his recent suspension from snooker and said Liang Wenbo forced him to fix matches and tell lies. The World Professional Billiards and Snooker Associations suspended the 20-year-old in addition to 7 other Chinese players: Ning, Liang, Langning, Zhao Jianbo, Liang Wenbo, Bingtao, and Chen. The announcement from the organization comes just after former English Open champion Liang was subject to a similar suspension due to misbehavior allegations. Recently, Chang has reportedly revealed Liang threatened him in a share-all post on the Chinese microblogging platform Weibo. In a now-deleted post that has been translated into English, Chang Bingyu said, "On the morning of the start of the game, Liang Wenbo called me in a threatening tone, saying he was in my game against Jamie Jones. I was afraid that he had bet so much money. If I didn't agree, he would make trouble for me, so I had no choice but to agree. I was very scared. No matter what the reason is for the match fixing, it is my mistake, and I will actively cooperate with the investigation. I can accept my punishment, but I was really scared at the time. I didn't receive any money." In the lengthy post, Chang also appeared to suggest that Liang threatened him to keep quiet as soon as the investigation had begun. Chang gained professional status to compete on the World Snooker Tour in 2019 after topping the Chinese amateur rankings that year. He reached the last 32 of the British Open in September, when the game in question against Welshman Jones occurred. WPBSA Chairman Jason Ferguson has taken the decision to suspend players from attending or competing on the World Snooker Tour with immediate effect. This follows the suspension of Liang Wenbo on the 27th of October 2022 and a subsequent investigation which remains ongoing into allegations of manipulating the outcome of matches for betting purposes in breach of the WPBSA conduct regulations. The suspensions of all players will remain in place until the conclusion of the investigation or any subsequent charges that may or may not be brought. These players have the right to appeal this decision. The investigation remains ongoing, and no further comment will be made until the investigation is complete. Earlier this year, Liang was handed a different 4-month suspension following a previous conviction for a domestic-related assault. Watch this video to know why was Liang Wenbo banned earlier.